do burnouts.
Driving a little bit quick.
All those don't do burnouts. I can't get mine to do one. What? My bad. Everyone's problem who didn't buy a manual.
It's nice.
Cough it up, buddy. My bad. Everyone.
This is what Wörthersee 2019 actually looks like. Traffic jams everywhere. I'm trying to get from here to here, but we can take this little shortcut, so we're trying to go this little distance on the other side of the road. How do you feel about that?
Very illegal.
Do you feel like you're being pressured into it?
Yes, 100%.
Jesus. Gotta do what you gotta do. Right, that's our road up there on the left, James. Go, go, go. Put your indicator on. That makes it completely fine. See ya! So we just announced that our meet is at the I cannot say this word, but it's basically Alpine Road, car park 5. We're just about to arrive. Hopefully the car park's actually empty because we need it. We kind of need it.
Bad little bitch, that's thick as shit. Goddamn, baby girl, you better suck this dick. Yeah, ooh, girl, you better come on me, girl. Oh Lord, ride with me. Yeah, I want a bad little bit to shake that ass. So coming up and throwing all these damn bands, and all these niggas saying on me like I'm rolling, man. Goddamn, I got a Rolex on my hand like shit. Little nigga done got it. Little nigga didn't pop in. Shit. Ooh, little nigga really running through the city with an itty bitty bitty. Yeah, she think it's fun. Hey, shots on my snap. Girl, you better throw it back. I just need a bad little bitch. Just wanna get lit. Bad little bitch. Just wanna get Northside coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. And my ex keep calling sweater, she be in the way. And I need a thick red bone, shorty where I lay. Bad bitch in LA, tell me that she make the trip. Shorty bad as hell, yeah, we can call it journalist. Who can ever fuck with her? 3 rolls in my bib, Canada John, yeah. I think that bitch from the States. Shorty wanna kiss me, but I know she's sucking dick. Shorty wanna kiss me, but I know she's sucking dick.
That's the sound of the police!
Oh yeah, the lights are on.
No, the police are here, and we are seeking refuge in the bushes. I don't think they're going to get us. If they come, we're just going to tell them the camber's on wine.
Yep, 100%. We're not selling anything. We just got a van.
Yeah, we're just here for a good time.
We just like cars.
Right.
The worst bit is that the car park's full. That's fine. Is people have decided that the road is a car park and there's parking it.
Sweet.
So the police are trying to pull in, but they're going.
Are they leaving?
Remember when we said, they're probably more concerned about burnouts. No, they're not.
Well, we are doing burnouts. Burnouts are not a thing on this road.
I did tell the guy with the blue M2 with the wing on that keeps doing it. He was like, can I come in? I was like, it's full, but if you do a really good burnout, am I later in a bit? So he did a massive one.
We'll update you on the next happenings.
So, we just pulled into Macca's to get some food.
Yeah.
Somewhere on, was it on the A4? Mm-hmm. A4.
On the autobahn.
On the autobahn. And we just wander in, come back out, and there's 3 police cars out there.
No ideal.
No ideal. And next minute, we're getting foxed. And they're putting all our cars in the back of trucks. So we've just got to wait here from what their inspection says, but we're going to be getting
You can
fucked.
tell Germany really likes us.
They like you.
Germany likes our cars absolutely loads.
How many cars have got impounded?
10.
No, 11.
11.
Is it 11? Yeah, Katie's the only one that's not got impounded.
And then it's €400 for transport just to the impound.
Just
And then
car.
if they don't pass test,
We have to get them traded out of the country.
to the nearest border.
Then we had to stay at a hospital.
best of luck.
Thank you very much. What happened?
They just told us that they get all my contacts now, and I should do nothing wrong the next 2 weeks.
What did you do?
Because it's here just with the event, and the music, and the drone. And so,
But how did you know?
was quite good.
You were involved.
I don't know. They think I'm involved. But you're the owner here.
Wasn't nothing to do with me. Well, I think that's a wrap on the shoot.
Yeah.
Or meet. This,
Und da bist du jetzt dann schuld,
I think we should get out of here.
Warum wusste ich das? I think so, yeah.
We came, we sold, we left. Yeah, we were here like 4 hours. Gorilla style, like on it.
Was.
That was good. It was good fun. Our first meet.
Just there.
It's like got American number plates on it. You don't even care.
They might be getting the camera out. Oh, they're away. I don't know. How much did you spend on fuel?
2.5 grand.
On fuel to get here?
Just fuel, yeah.
That's here and back.
Oh, here I'm back.
Guy to get Sam, I think.
I don't know, they look like they're in a bit of a...
He took his hat off.
I'd maybe text them.
Tell them to run.
they got in their car and they took their hats off. And they gloves.
And they seem to be in a little bit of a
They're away now.
hurry. If they swing a left, then... Oh, they swing the left. They swung a left. Yeah. Well, they had Alabama plates on it. I guys just seen the guy going.
What was the police in there? I was like, well, that's a bright siren.
It's stupid.
It's silly.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Just driving a little bit quick.
All those doors do burnout. Can't get mine to do what I want. What? Everyone's problem who didn't buy a manual.
It's nice.
Cough it up, buddy.
That was really cool.
Everyone, wow, a lie. I have one of them. My toilet.
I take back everything I said. That was pretty cool. There's a lot of unsafe safety cars here.